Hey there, I'm Angela from Tekonsha, and today we're taking a look at the Prodigy P3 brake controller, part number 90195. The P3 electric brake controller sets a new standard of excellence in trailer braking. The P3 electronically connects your vehicle and your trailer, stopping them proportionally. That means the intensity with which your trailer's brakes are applied depends on how quickly your tow vehicle is slowing down. So when you hit the brakes in your car or truck, the brake controller tells your trailer to brake at the same time and with the same strength, allowing both to stop smoothly. This proportional system cuts down the wear and tear and extends the life of your vehicle's brakes. The P3's integrated safeguards also protect your vehicle, trailer, and the controller itself by drastically reducing the draw on your vehicle's battery when the controller is not in use, reducing power output during prolonged stops to prevent the trailer brakes from overheating, and protecting the controller and trailer breakaway systems from shorts. For use with 1 to 4 axle trailers, the P3 is ideal for those who use the same tow vehicle to pull multiple trailers. It sets itself apart from other brake controllers because it allows up to 5 storable setting options for pulling different trailers or towing preferences of multiple drivers. This means you don't have to run through the process of setting the brake controller's power output and boost manually every time you switch which trailer you need to pull. Instead, just choose from your saved settings and the controller is ready to help you stop safely. The P3 gives you the option of modes between electric over hydraulic brake or electric trailer brake. It also has a boost feature. Just the touch of a button provides up to 3 levels of additional stopping power when you first hit the brakes, making it useful for those times when you're hauling a heavier load and you need more power to stop. The P3 also makes it easy to set the power output to your trailer. Use the arrows on the front to select your desired power output. When you hit the brakes, the P3 will apply your trailer's brakes proportionally, up to the amount of power you've set. If you ever need to manually apply the brakes to your trailer, simply move the rotary-style manual override lever. The P3 will apply power to your trailer's brakes, up to the amount of power previously set, to help you stop your trailer without hitting your tow vehicle's brakes. The P3 has so much to offer. A customizable, multilingual, easy-to-read LED display lets you choose your color and language preference and adjust contrast. The digital display also shows voltage delivery to the trailer during braking. A continuous diagnostic check to monitor your connection and magnet conditions so you can fix any problems that may occur. And a self-leveling feature making navigating steep hills and uneven terrain simple as could be. Plus, it's easy to install. Simply use the included screws to mount it to your dash in the direction of travel, making sure it's level at any vertical angle, up to 360 degrees. Use the universal pigtail harness which is included with your P3, or a Tekonsha custom harness to connect one end to your vehicle and the other to your controller. The unit itself can be attached to the mounting bracket, or you can use the included mini mounting bracket and mounting clip so you can easily unplug it and take it with you when you go. Several additional features set this controller apart from the rest, including reverse battery protection to preserve the unit and accessory system, upfront controls for easy access to all P3 features, and a limited lifetime warranty. That's it for the Tekonsha Prodigy P3 brake controller, part number 90195. For more information on this and other great Tekonsha products, visit tekonsha.com.